We have a Sunnen model SV-210 vertical honing machine, new 2008, serial number 2D11006.
All right, coming around, nothing over here really, side guards. Got the rear panels here, electric panel down low, Traverse drive unit I believe here, standard package for Sunnen. Up above here are the drive units, stroker, feed, servo units, and all the three Siemens units here. They're all good to go. Lube package right here. That's about it. Coolant connection down there. If you got the system, that's where we plug in. We have all the tooling on pictures. That's already been laid out, I guess, on the internet, so these guys got that. Books, I think books were in the pictures, but that's all here too with all the additional tooling. Over here's the coolant system. This is pretty much all we got with this one here. And of course we got the rotation unit down here, which is just a hand wheel, indexes a full 180 degrees. We're locked in up all the way out of the way, and we're going to traverse right by this, so I just left it on the back side. What we're doing here on the screen, Harold, if you can get up in here, we're starting off with a fictitious 5.300, going to a finished size of 5.330. We're going from rough to fine feed at 5.28, so the last 2,000ths is a fine feed. And that's pretty much it. I just slowed down the spindle speed real slow over here on the machine, and I slowed down the feed. It takes about a minute or so, just so you can get an idea on the video of what's happening here without moving real fast. First, I'm going to manually bring the head down because we're too high to even start the cycle, so I'm going to get on here, and it wants to get into a lower position. Right now it says column too high to start cycle, so I have to bring it all the way down here. As soon as I get a little bit lower, my light will go off. There, it's happy now. So right now, again, I can start the cycle. It'll go through its course, and then it's fine of 2,000ths, and then when it hits a 5.330, you'll watch it. It'll go up and down once and make a cleanup pass real slow, and then it'll return all the way to the top position. And if we got time, maybe we'll run two parts so we can do both of these, okay? So I'm set now. Before I start that, I can show you the traverse here too, Hale, which is right here, just for positioning the head left to right. In the run mode, you can put this pretty much wherever you want, see? So you'll leave it right around center here. That's good for now, and we'll go into a run condition here. Let's see what happens. Cycle start. We only got like 100 RPM on there, I think. It's not much. Got a nice easy stroke to it, nice easy RPM, and we can spin that up, but we'd have to get the tooling out of here. There's no way to stabilize the tool, so. Got up top here. I don't know if you can get up high there. Everything is pretty much the ball screw, the shaft. We're about 3/4 of the way done. That's all looking pretty good there. Go nice and slow here. Follow that yellow line. That's where we're at. We could do another cycle and kind of watch that, but that's going to go down and again go into the last 2,000ths. Don't do it now. We'll do one more part. Come back here. This thing's just about done. Maybe about 10-15 seconds. We're done here. And I didn't even program it. It came in this way. It'll go up and then come back into the part and come back, which appears to be a cleanup pass. We've got 1,000 to go. A few more seconds, it's done. And there it is. That should be about it. Now this came to us this way. This whole program was in the machine already. I just slowed down the spindle speed and the rate of feed, but this was about a 45, 50-minute cycle on here. It was moving that slow. This was all programmed in there already. Kind of cleans up there, and it goes back in. I don't know if you heard that on the video. That was the feed motor retracting the tool just before it went up. So we're good to go, and if you wanted to do one more, it's your call. Or want to get another one, just kind of watch this, or I'm going to hit cycle start again. I have to lower it down again manually. It's too high. We'll bring it down to about there. I think it's good. It's happy there. And if you look up on here, now we won't get the load graph. That'll stay at 0. There's no load because we don't have a part on there. So, and the whole bore profile, spindle load, we don't get that. So none of the load graphs can help us. What we do have is the bore size. That's the one we can watch. Tool load and these 3 loads don't happen. So I'm going to hit cycle start right now. There it is. We're going in. As soon as it starts, you'll watch that bore size start up on the yellow. Can't miss it. There it is. We're stroking now. This is roughing. Finish is that last 2 thousandths, like I said, so. Maybe go to this one more time and then come back just in time to catch that finish cycle. Come back and try to get the overall. Getting ready to finish up here. There's our finish run. Feed's a little bit slower here. That's it there. And the cleanup cycle, and that'll be it. Listen for the feed motor returning now. You'll hear it. End of cycle.